ไหมอย่าดื้อนะครูฟังเสียงอยู่นะ
Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, teacher. Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
All of you are fine? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So, what we are going to learn today? Mathematics, right? So, students, you having your books with you already, yes?
Yes.
Okay, students, so
Yeah.
please take out your books, and today we are going to learn page number 68. Page number 68. 68. So today we are going to learn about mixed addition and subtraction words problem and words problem formulation. Okay, are you ready, students? Page number 68. Okay, so today we are going to learn about mixed addition and subtraction word problems, okay, and word problem formulation. So here we having some of the steps what we are going to follow to solve the problem, okay. So here, first of all, what we have to do, we have to these are all the helpful to solve. These are all few steps, 4 of the main steps what we are going to follow, and it will help to solve the problem, okay. So number 1, first of all, the first step, if you are going to solve a problem, what we have to do, we have to clarify the problem. So we have to read carefully and identify the main point, okay. So we have to identify the main point in the word problem to extract the information needed to find the answer. So which means, first of all, we have to understand the problem, that what information we need to find, okay, and what is asking in the problem, right? So then we can answer. So for that, step number 1 is clarify the problem, okay. Now step number 2, what we have to do, we have to make a plan, okay. So we have to think of a method, all right, to find the answer. So what method we should to use? For example, to solve a problem, we need subtraction, or either we need addition. So we have to find the method, okay. So then we can find the answer. Then number 3, we have to execute the plan, and calculate is plan. So we already make a plan that we are going to subtract, or either we are going to perform addition. So that plan we have to apply, okay, and then we calculate, okay. So after calculation, we are going to have the answer of the problem. And the last, the 4th step, what we have to do, we have to check the answer. Okay, so if we already solve the problem, then we have to check the answer. Checking answer is actually reasonable and make sure that answer is calculated correctly. Same like we do in the previous lessons, the normal addition and subtraction. So after we find out the answer, then we have to check that our answer is correct or not. So these are the 4 main steps what we have to follow. Okay, students, you understand that what we have to do? First of all, we have to clarify the problem. We have to identify, we have to read carefully and identify the main point. Okay, the main point in the word problem to extract the information needed to find the answer. Second thing, what we have to do, we have to make a plan. We have to think of a method to find the answer. Okay. Number 3, we have to execute the plan. So we have to calculate as planned. As we make the plan, so we have to calculate according to our plan. And the last one, 4th one, we have to check the answer, that the answer what we have, is it correct or not? So we have to check it. Okay, students, you understand that how we have to do?
Yes.
Students, you understand that what are we going to do? We have to
Yes, I understand.
yeah. Plan, execute the plan, and then check the answer. Okay, now let's have a little bit practice with example. Okay, so here we're having an example. The example here, which is given to us, the problem we have here. So David wants to buy a new car, which is priced 785,000 baht. Okay, so the first thing what we have here, that is David wants to buy new car. Okay, this is important what we have to look. And the price of the new car is 785,000. Okay, now he managed to sell his old car for 127,000 baht. So David, he having old car and he sell the old car. So he have cash 127,000 baht. Okay, so this is number 1. Now this is number 2. Important to keep in mind what they are telling in the problem. Now, what the problem want us to know, that is how much loan will he have to get from the bank. Okay, so number 1 in the problem, David want to buy a car. The price is 785,000 baht. Number 2, he sell already his old car and he get cash 127,000 baht. Now what we have to find? He need more money to loan from the bank. Okay, so what we have to find? How much money he need to loan from the bank so he can buy the car. Okay, so number 1, what we have to do, clarify the problem. So clarifying problem, the first thing, what does David want to buy? He want to buy a new car. Okay, what is the price of the car? The price of the car is 785,000. You can see here. Okay, this is the new car he want to buy. The price is 785,000 baht. Now, how did he get some money from? So he already have 127,000 baht. This money, from where he get? He get from sell his old car. Okay, so by selling his old car, he get how much? 127,000 baht. So which is not enough, right? So was it enough? No, it's not enough, because the amount he needs 785,000, but he have only 127,000 baht. So now what we have to do? We have to find out what how much of a loan will David have to get from the bank. So David need loan, right, from the bank. How much? Now we have to find out. So the three important things in this problem. One is David want to buy a car, 785,000 baht is the price, and he having money 127,000 baht. The rest of the amount he need to loan from the bank. So how much he need to loan from the bank, we have to find. So we can see here, this is the price. Now this is the clarification of the problem, what we have the problem here. Now we should to have a plan. So the plan here is the new car, it cost 785,000. He have money 127,000 baht. Now the remaining he have to loan from the bank. We have to find. So now what we have to do? First, figure show that subtraction. What do we require? We require here addition or subtraction. Students, in this problem, what do you think? We need addition or subtraction? You can see here, we required subtraction. Okay, subtraction is required to solve the problem. How are we gonna do the subtraction? Let's execute the plan. So what we are going to write, the first thing, David wants to buy a new car which is priced 785,000. So this is the price of the new car, and he have the money already 127,000 baht. So we are going to subtract 127,000 from 785,000. So the remaining amount is 658,000. So David need 658,000 baht so he can buy a new car. So the answer here is he will have to get loan 658,000 baht from the bank. Okay, you understand that, students, how it is? Students, answer me please.
Yeah.
Okay, very simple. Okay, in the problem, David want to buy a car. The price is 785,000. We can see here, and he already have money by selling his old car. That is 127,000 baht. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do subtraction. We will minus 127,000 from 785,000. So the remaining he need more 658,000 baht to buy the car. So this amount where he will get from the bank. From the bank he is going to loan. Okay, students, this was very simple. Now what we have to do, the fourth step. The fourth step, we have to check the answer. So how we are going to check the answer? We have the answer, what we have, he need 658,000 baht from the loan he is going to take from the bank, and 127,000 baht he already have from his old car. So these two, if we add, so we have the amount 785,000, which is the price of the new car. Okay, students, you understand that? Now let's have some of the more practice.
Yeah.
Okay, so here now we have a problem. The problem is, first what we have to do, let's read carefully and then answer the question. Now in 2006, the population of Thailand was approximately 66 million. It was expected to grow by 4 million in next 10 years. Okay, so what is the projected population of Thailand in 2016? Okay, students, so now here we also having here main information we have to look. So the main information, what we have, the first thing, what is the approximately population in 2006? So in 2006, we having the approximately population 66 million. Okay, so we already know about that. So here 66 million is the population in 2006. Okay, now second thing, what was the expected growth in population in the next 10 years? So here we can see the expected growth of the population in next 10 years is projected 4 million. Okay, so here we have two values. One figure 2006 66 million population, and the growth expected 4 million. Okay, now what they are asking in the problem, they are asking what does the problem asking to solve. So they are asking about what is the projected population in population of Thailand in 2016. So here you can see what is the projected population of Thailand in 2016. This is what they want to know. So we have two information already. First one is population of 2006, 66 million. Second information is the growth of population in next 10 years to 4 million. Okay, and what they want to know? They want to know what is the projected population of Thailand in 2016. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here, how many figures we have? First of all, so we can see here we have 4 figures. First one is population of 2006. Second one is the expected growth of population in 10 years. And third figure is 2006 and 2010. So here what we have to do, we have the figures what we don't need for calculation. That one is the year 2006 and 2010. This is not need for calculation. Okay, now how we are going to calculate? Students, we are going to calculate by addition or subtraction. Students, can you answer me? What we are going to do? We are going to subtract or we are going to add, do addition?
Addition.
Exactly, addition. So what we are going to add? We are going to add the first figure, what we having in 2006, and the second figure, the expected growth 4 million. So if we add both of them, if we add both figures 66 million plus 4 million, so we are going to have how much? 66 million plus 4 million become how much, students?
$70 million.
Exactly, that is a correct answer. 70 million. Okay, this is how we are going to solve the problem. Okay, students, you understand that? It's very easy, very simple. We just
Me not finish. Me not finish. Don't
okay,
finish.
you can write down. If students, if you, because we having short time, so if you didn't write all, so later on you can watch the video and you can rewrite again. Okay, students? All right, so here in this problem, what did you learn?
Next.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I will send link video to them again, but you can teach next.
Okay, okay, students. Later on, you can check the video link, and we are continue to solve the other problems. Okay, students. Okay, so now here we have another problem. The problem here is what we have to do. We have to read carefully, okay? And now what they are talking in the problem. So first of all, Farm Women Group Association manufactures salted egg, okay? Salted eggs and sell them at an OTOP center, okay? So it is a it's a group of association farm, okay, who manufacturing salted eggs and then they sell it to OTOP center, okay? Now this is one thing what we have information. Now second thing, yesterday sale earned the group 46,300 baht. So the association, they sell eggs yesterday, and how much they earn? They earn 46,300 baht. Now these are the two things which you keep in mind, okay? Now the third one, the question, what we need, what they are asking from us. The question is, how much more money is needed to reach 100,000 baht in total? Okay, student, this is the question they are asking from us. So the first thing, what we learn from the problem, they are telling us a farm woman group, they selling eggs. They're selling eggs to the OTOP center, right? So yesterday they sell 46,300. Now, how much more they need to reach 100,000? Okay, students. So we will follow the similar steps here. First of all, what we have to do, number one, what is the story of the word problem? So the story of the word problem is, as I mentioned, this is the first one. Farm Women Groups Association manufactures salted eggs and sell them at an OTOP center. Okay, this is one. Now, number two, how much money did the group earn from yesterday's sale? The group sale yesterday salted egg, how much money they earn? So they earn here 46,300. So we are going to write 46,300 baht. Now what they are asking? They are asking from us how much more they need to reach 100,000. So they need more 100,000. How much they need more to reach 100,000? So number four, what does the problem ask? The problem asks how much more money needed to reach 100,000 baht in total. So what we're gonna do now, we have to, what operation is needed to solve the question? Students, what we're gonna do here? We are going to do addition or subtraction. Students, can you answer me please? What we are going to do, addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, exactly. So the group, they need 100,000 to reach 100,000, and they already earned yesterday 46,300, right? So then what we're going to do, we're going to subtract. Okay, here you can see. So what we are going to subtract, they need 100,000. The company, the group, they need 100,000, and they're having sale yesterday 46,300. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna subtract 46,300 from 100,000. So then we are going to have the answer. Okay, so if we subtract 46,300 from 100,000, so the group has to earn 53,700 more to reach 100,000 baht in total. Okay, students. So after we having the answer 53,700, how we are going to check our answer? If we check our answer, so the amount what they need more, they need to earn more, that is 53,700. And the amount they earn yesterday's sale was how much? Yesterday's sale was 46,300. So 46,300 addition with 53,700. So what we are going to have the answer, that is 100,000 baht. So which means our answer is correct. 53,700 baht. The group has to earn more to reach 100,000 baht in total. Okay, students, you understand that?
Not finished. Not finished.
Okay. All right, students, later on you can see the link. You can see the link and then you can write again. You just concentrate now how we are going to solve.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. We have only 10 minutes, students. We don't have too much time. Okay, now here.
Teacher,
Yes.
next you teach.
Okay. Okay, students. So now here, write the sentences and solve each problem. Okay. So here we having the house cost 990,000 baht. Okay. And the land cost 375,000 baht. So here we have two figures. Number one, the cost of the house, which one is 900. The cost of the house, which one is 990,000 baht. And second is the cost of the land. The cost of the land is 375,000. So what we have to find? We have to find how much do the house and the land cost together. If both of them, how much it cost? What we will do, students? We will subtract or we will do addition. Students, we are going to subtract or we are going to do addition. So you can see here, the cost of the house is 990,000. We will add with the cost of the land, which is 375,000. So here we are going to perform addition. Okay, if we add both of the cost, so we will have the answer of how much the cost of the house and the land together. So both together 990,000 plus 375,000. If we add both together by addition, we will have the answer. So the answer is the house and the land cost 1,365,000 baht all together. Okay, students. Now, number two. There were 2,870,000 visitors last year. Okay, so last year they having visitors 2,870,000, and this is one information. Okay, now the second information what we have, that one is the number of visitors shrink 380,000 this year. So here, this is the second figure, 380,000 visitors, it reduced, it come down, it's shrink. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find how many visitors are there this year. So now what we're gonna do? We are going to do addition or subtraction, students?
Subtraction.
Subtraction or addition?
Addition.
Subtraction, because here it's already shrinks, right? So here, what we're gonna do, from the last year visitor 2,870,000, we will subtract the shrink amount of the visitor. The shrink amount of the visitor is 380,000. So if we deduct 380,000 from 2,870,000, we are going to have the answer. And the answer is 2,490,000 visitors this year. What they are asking from us, students here, they are asking from us, how many visitors are there this year? So from last year, the visitors, we subtract the shrink visitors number, and we are going to have the number of visitor this year. So the answer is 2,490,000 visitor this year. Okay, students. Now let's move again. So here, now we having one more problem, number 3. Last year, the visitor, last year, the village's road maintenance cost 2,764,000 baht. Okay, this is one point you have to keep in mind. Okay, last year, and maintenance cost, okay, that is 2,764,000 baht. This year, okay, this year repair cost is 287,000 baht. So we having two figure already, last year and this year. Okay, so now what is the question asking in the problem? The question they are asking, what is the total road maintenance cost over 2 years? So last year have 2,764,000. This year maintenance repair cost 287,000. And what we have to find, we have to find what is the cost of the road maintenance in 2 years. So what we're gonna do, students? We are going to do addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Exactly.
Addition.
We are going to do addition. So the first, last year and this year, both of them, the cost, we are going to the repair cost and the maintenance cost of last year, we are going to do addition. So if we add 2,764,000 plus 287,000, so we are going to have altogether the cost in 2 years 3,051,000 baht. This is how we are going to do. Now, number 4, we have here number 4 problem. That one is also very simple. So the number of passengers traveling through Suvarnabhumi airport is 11,403,617. Keep one in mind. Okay, so international flight passengers accounted 9,457,436. Okay, this is the international one. Okay, total passenger come at the Suvarnabhumi airport is 11,403,617. International flight passengers was 9,457,436. The rest were all domestic flight passengers. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find how many domestic flight passengers were there. So we are going to do addition or subtraction, students. Students, we are going to do addition or subtraction. We are going to do subtraction. The international flight passenger, we will subtract from the total passengers travel through Suvarnabhumi airport. So the remaining amount, that one is all domestic passengers. Okay, so 11,403,617 subtract 9,457,436. So if we minus them, we are going to have the total amount of the domestic flight passenger. So we perform here subtraction. Okay, students. Now, okay, so the next problem, what we have here, number 1, that one is after withdrawing 283,500 baht. Okay, there were still 3,087,600 baht, okay, in Thomas Bank's account. Okay, so what was his amount balance before withdrawing? Okay, students, so we have two figures here. One figure is the amount after withdraw. That one is 283,500 from the bank. This is the amount withdraw from the bank. After withdraw, he still have 3,087,600. So what is asking in the problem? They are asking what was his account balance before withdrawing. This is the amount we withdraw. Okay, so before withdraw this amount, how much was the total amount? What we're gonna do? We're gonna do addition or subtraction, students. Students, we are going to perform addition or subtraction.
Subtraction.
Addition. They are asking from us before withdrawing. This is the amount withdraw, and this is after withdraw. So what we have to do? We have to perform addition. Addition of withdraw amount and after withdraw amount. So we are going to have the amount. So Thomas account balance before withdrawing was 371,100 baht. So here we already perform addition. Okay, now number 2. Last year, due to climate change, an orchid breeder made 56,000 baht less than anticipated. If he anticipated his earning to be 198,000 baht, how much money he did make? How much money did he make last year? So here, what we're gonna do, like last year, they are going to have, we have here two of them. One amount is 56,000 baht, okay, and the second one, that one is he earned anticipated earning to 198,000. So here, what we're gonna do from the expected earning 198,000 baht, we are going to subtract 56,000, which is less, okay, because of the climate change. So if we deduct the amount, then we are going to have the answer. The orchid breeder made 142,000 baht last year. Okay, now question number 3, problem number 3. So here we have a banana exporter. A banana exporter declared exports goods last month as follow. So what he export? Number 1, fresh banana value 9,490,000 baht. Then dried banana value is dry banana valued at 590,000 baht, and canned banana valued is 12,400,000 baht. So here the banana exporter, they export 3 different type of goods: fresh banana and dried banana, and third one is canned banana. So what they are asking from us, what was the total value of export goods last month? So what we're gonna do, students, we are going to perform addition or subtraction. They want us how much the total goods export. So he